Auto insurance, in most states, it's required by law. And in exchange for a free cup of coffee, these folks agreed to take a quiz to see if they understand the basics of auto insurance. Tell me, what is auto insurance for?
Well, in case if I get in an accident, I'm covered.
To cover the risk of my having an accident or being involved in an accident either with another vehicle or on my own.
Good answers. So far, so good. What is the premium?
The premium is the amount that the damages have to get up to before insurance kicks in.
The premium. Well, I imagine that's the main body of the price that you're paying, the stripped down version of the insurance. You're talking about for car insurance?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know. I speak 3 languages. I have 3 degrees. I don't know. I don't know.
What is the premium?
The premium, that's the amount that you pay on your insurance for the coverage for this whatever you've selected. That would be, it's your bill.
Yeah, it's your bill.
Right.
What is your deductible?
$1,000.
And how would you explain the deductible? What is that?
That's the risk that you assume. If you have an accident, you're going to have to pay up to that much for the coverages that deductible applies, like your comprehensive and your collision.
What is collision insurance? What is the collision part of your policy? What does it cover?
Collision, I assume if I cause an accident.
What is the collision part of your policy? What's that for?
Collision.
Can you elaborate?
Boom! I mean, that's a collision. Well, I'm thinking that is where I actually have a collision with another vehicle, and what the damage that results because of that.
Tell me what comprehensive coverage is. What's that all about?
Medical expenses. I think your side of the coverage. I'm not clear, to be honest with you. I don't want to give a wrong answer, but obviously I did. But
Bodily injury? My bodily? Things that just come up.
Maybe we need to clarify a bit. Collision will reimburse you for damage to your car that is the result of a collision with another vehicle. Comprehensive will reimburse you for losses from theft or for damage to your car that was not the result of a collision with another car, such as hail, for example, or flooding or a fire. Collision and comprehensive are generally sold with a deductible. You can choose anything from $250 to $1,000. The higher the deductible that you choose, the lower your premium will be. How about property damage liability?
Property damage would be either to either of the vehicles, or if you have any property inside of it, the vehicle that's been destroyed.
If something happened to the other person's car, it covers.
Yes. That's to pay for the damage to the other guy's car. Property damage liability. This pays for damage that you caused to someone else's property. This usually means someone else's car, but it could also apply to lampposts, telephone poles, fences, buildings, or any other structure that your car hits. How about bodily injury liability?
That's when somebody gets hurt, and compensation is provided to assure people receive the medical attention that they would need to become well again.
Bodily injury liability. This applies to injuries that you caused to someone else. It's very important that you have enough liability coverage, because if you're involved in a serious accident, you could be sued for a very large sum of money. Definitely consider buying more liability insurance than the state-mandated minimum. That way you'll have enough liability to protect your assets, such as your home or your savings, from a lawsuit. What is uninsured motorist coverage?
That's coverage that I pay for so that if I get hit by somebody who's not insured, that I'm still covered.
That's great. You're the answer man.
I don't know if I got them all right or not, but I tried.
This is the kind of stuff that they need to teach in high school, you know. Do you need to know algebra? No, this is the stuff you need to know.
To learn more about auto insurance, visit the auto section of our website.